everyone and welcome back to my channel. But if you don't know me, hi, my name is Jazz. I'm so happy to have you here. I love home decoration, DIYs, and inspire people to make their homes look beautiful but on a budget. So if you are into that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because we're going to be uploading so many hacks, so many DIYs, and so many projects for these holidays. So stay tuned. In today's video, we're going to be working on our Christmas tree, and I'm really excited but nervous at the same time because I'm going to be using some colors that I don't normally use on Christmas. But this year I said why not, and the theme that I'm going to be working on, it's called Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas. I actually started this video yesterday, but the chickens were crazy there. Oh my god, so many sounds, and it started getting darker, so you're going to see a little bit of yesterday's footage, and then you're going to see me again like this because we are going to keep decorating the Christmas tree. Okay, so first step is going to be putting my Christmas tree base, and then if you want to use a color for your Christmas tree, you have to put it right now. And this was actually a DIY that I did previously. It was in like this gray color. It was pretty beautiful, but it doesn't match with the decor that I'm going to be using this year. And because it was pretty inexpensive, I was able to do a DIY with this. So basically what I did was to use some waxing antique color. I used a brush and then I start painting the whole color tree. I didn't apply a lot of wax just because I want this to have a distressed look. It's easier when you paint bigger pieces like this, and then if you want, with a wipe you can start like removing all of the extra wax that your color should have. That way it's going to look so much better. That's what I did, and this is the end result. I think it looks pretty nice. I love the color that it has now. It really matches with my decorations. Let's get our Christmas tree, because we have to start spreading all of the branches of the Christmas tree to make it look fuller, better, and with a high-end look. Okay, so this is my Christmas tree. This is how it looks. I think I'm pretty sure it's 7 feet tall. And these are the branches that it has. It has a few of these ones and like the normal ones. And it includes all of the lighting. I just have to press like this button right here to turn them on, to turn them off, and you can also change the color for a colorful one. First, I'm going to start adding all of the stems on my Christmas tree, and the ones that I'm going to be using are these ones. Let me take one. They are from Hobby Lobby. They are burgundy, and they have like this other color too, and these ones too that are from, oh my god, that's not a branch. Oh my god, let me see if I can take one that looks nice. They look so bad. I'm gonna try to fix this. If not, I'm not gonna use them. But they are from Hobby Lobby too. They have like this cream and gold colors. Let me see if I can use this or not. Also add these branches. They are from Dollar Tree. I add a lot of those on my Christmas tree, and that way it's going to look a lot more rustic, a lot more fuller. I love to add extra branches and stems on my Christmas tree because I think it gives a really nice touch. Now that I have all of the stems on my Christmas tree, we're going to start adding all of the ornaments. First, I'm going to start with the bows, and these are the bows that I'm going to be using, and I really love them. They are this velvet material, but as you can see, I need to fix this. I'm going to use this to remove all of the lines that my bow have. And this is going to change the look of your ribbon. If it has like wire on the edges, you have to be a little bit careful with that. It's like that, and it looks so much better. Now this part, you can do the bottom parts looking very like straight, or you can curl them a little bit with your iron, just like that. You can do this with bows or just normal ribbon that you're going to use on your Christmas tree, just like this. You can curl them too, like that, just like you're doing your hair, and it's going to look beautiful. So that's a hack there. When I'm putting all of the ornaments and all of the decorations on my Christmas tree, I always like to put them like doing zigzags on the Christmas tree. That way they're going to look nice, even like with a pattern, and it's going to look so much better, especially if you don't have a lot of decorations of the same item. That's a great hack that you should try. Another hack is when I'm decorating my Christmas tree, I don't like to have the Christmas tree lights on, just because I feel like I get confused on the lining and, like, I don't know, the decorations that I'm putting on my Christmas tree. And let's be realistic, you're not gonna have all of the lights on your Christmas tree on all of the time. So when you turn them off, you want to make sure that your Christmas tree looks nice. So that's something that I actually like to do. I always decorate my Christmas tree with the lights off. Now we need to really add the burgundy color. I have 4 boxes of these ornaments. They're so cute, they're perfect, and they're very inexpensive. I think they cost me about $2.25 each of these boxes. So I have 4. Let's hang them. Okay. I also have this bells that I love because they have like little stars, which it's perfect for the theme that I'm going for, but I'm not sure. They are not the same exact color. Maybe on camera it looks like, but in person, no. They are not the same color. And I'm not sure if I want to add them. I don't know. I think like all of the ornaments that I have, they look so high-end, and I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I don't know, so I'm going to leave them for later, but now, shut up. There you go. So for now, I'm going to be adding all of the gold elements. So I want to add these small ornaments in gold color, the stars that I made. And I also have a lot of these like jingle bells. Let's add this on my Christmas tree. These are some stars that I DIY. Basically what I did was to reuse these green stars that I have like for 4 years now, and I want them in a different color. So basically what I'm going to be doing is to spray paint in gold color, then I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm going to be using some wax and a brush, and I'm going to start adding the wax on top of the star to create a very like vintage and old look on the project that I'm working on. And you can make this look basically on anything, just some spray paint in gold color and then some wax in antique color with a brush, and then you can wipe down all of the extra paint that your project has. Depending on the colors that you're going to be using for your Christmas tree this year, you can leave your Christmas tree just like this. But because I was looking for the Ralph Lauren look, I really need to add the blue color, and I really want to. I found some ornaments in silver color. They are pretty big, and I think they're going to add the perfect touch on my Christmas tree. I just have to paint them. So what I did was to remove the lid of the ornaments, put all of the ornaments on a stick to be able to paint them with my spray paint. I use navy color for this project. I give it one really good coat of paint and let it dry. I love them so much. They are the perfect navy color and they look so shiny. I'm impressed. I really love how they look, and I have about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 ornaments. This is the only navy ornament that I'm going to be using on my Christmas tree. I don't want to put a lot of this. I just want to add a few touches of navy, and these are very, very cheap ornaments. Let me tell you, like super cheap. They look beautiful. because I'm using very small touches of stars, I thought, hey, the top of the Christmas tree would be perfect if it was a star. So I was looking at all of the stars that I have. I only have two. I have this one that I used last year, but I found this one. This used to have like a lot of berries. I take them out and I think they work fine because I already put these grapevine balls, ornaments on my Christmas tree. So I think they match, but the problem is if I use this as it is, it's not going to like, I don't know, I need something else. So I found these two stars. I'm not sure, I think this one gives like a very cowboy vibe. I don't know. So maybe this one? It looks better. I'm going to stick these two things together. Like this, maybe? I don't know. Okay guys, so this is how it turns out. You have no idea how happy I am. I could cry. I love everything. It looks so good. I really love it. I love the combination of the colors. Seriously, I'm really happy, really proud of myself. So I really hope that you like it too, that you can take some inspiration from this video. So yeah, see you on the next video. We're going to be decorating another part of my home that I'm really excited to, so stay tuned. See you in the next one. Bye!